history, destroying support for our country, turning the current generation against our country, pulling down monuments, shredding the Constitution while they're running around claiming they're defending democracy. And then we have Republicans joining radical, hate America Democrats. Blaming us. And whatever you do, don't provoke the enemy. You're not provoking anybody. Except by our people. You don't send two carrier groups in a nuclear sub and all kinds of jets with all kinds of pilots into the Middle East where they're sitting ducks, or leave troops in Iraq where they're sitting ducks. Oh, I went on here. Let's pull them all out. Oh, okay. Maybe you haven't heard of things called missiles. I'll be right back.
Mark, love it. Power Talk 1460 and FM 101.1.
We all make resolutions this time of year, and let's face it, most of them won't stick. But here's one that's not only easy to keep, but will help you feel healthier all year long. Navage. Navage provides quick, drug-free nasal relief by washing saline in one nostril, around the back of the nose, and out of the other nostril. This time of year, when everyone is sick, Navage helps by sucking out germs, bacteria, and viruses trapped in our noses that cause us to feel miserable. And come allergy season, it does the same with dust, pollen, and other allergens. And unlike medications that can take time to help, if they're effective at all, Navage helps treat congestion symptoms in seconds flat, without drugs. This New Year's, resolve to use drug-free Navage to help you breathe easier, sleep better, and feel healthier all year long. Ask for Navage at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Target, or find us online at Navage.com. Navage. N-A-V-A-G-E. Clean nose, healthy life. Every time I switch on the news or read the paper, I feel a sense of panic. You know the feeling? Fear and uncertainty are gripping the world. Huge economic storms loom, and if you're anything like me, your options are running out fast. One thing I did do a while ago, which I'm really pleased with, was opening gold investments. I had some old 401ks I rolled over, so it didn't cost me a bean. And since doing it, gold has reached an all-time high. Noble Gold Investments were brilliant. Their experts ran through my options and walked me through the whole thing. Gold has seen off wars and disasters for thousands of years, so I feel pretty confident that I'll be okay now. Start your journey to financial security with Noble Gold Investments IRA services, and you can claim a free 3-ounce silver American Virtue coin. Just use the promo code GOLD. Go to NobleGoldInvestments.com now. NobleGoldInvestments.com. Past performance may not be indicative of future results. Investing in precious metals, including gold, involves risk. Consult with your tax attorney or financial professional before making an investment decision.
Nice turn, Jill. Cody, isn't your sister doing a nice job as a new driver?
Sure. Hey, by the way, Dad, have you ever smoked marijuana? It's getting legalized everywhere, so it's okay to do now, right?
OMG, Toby, are you serious?
It's not legal everywhere, and it's not legal for kids at all. This conversation can happen anywhere, and your kids need to know the facts. 76% of teens agree that with legalization, teenagers may be more likely to experiment with marijuana. Legal or not, marijuana is harmful to teens developing brains and can cause permanent damage. It can also cause heart and respiratory problems.
I heard it could lead to using other drugs.
61% of teens agree that teenagers who use marijuana are more likely to try heroin.
But marijuana has been around forever.
Sure, but the type that's out there now is stronger than when I was younger, so it's really important for you two to be careful.
I never thought about that.
Well, now's the time to start thinking about it. Now's the time to talk to your kids about substance use. Learn more at rosecrans.org.
And paid for by the Municipal Tax Group. Attention, if you or your business is behind in filing your tax returns, or if you owe over $10,000 in taxes to the IRS, please listen carefully. The IRS does not joke around and will not stop their collection efforts. If you're tired of the IRS letters, levies, liens, or wage garnishments and would like to get a fresh start, we can help. Due to the financial hardships in the country, the IRS is making it easier than ever to settle tax problems for those who owe more than $10,000. We can help settle your delinquent tax problems, end all collections, and may even reduce your back taxes significantly. Even if you can't afford to pay your back taxes, you can still get the help you need. Thousands of taxpayers just like you. But you must call 800-806-1299 today to stop your tax problem from getting worse. The information is free and the help is real. Call 800-806-1299. That's 800-806-1299. Again, 800-806-1299.
Radio's cleanup hitter.
Believe what I say or I'll hurt you.
Cruz is on the radio. Power Talk 1460 and FM 101.1.
As you know, folks, I don't sit here and take polls and surveys. I don't know what everybody in the audience believes. I don't read the comments on my social media because some people are absolutely insane. I told you about Kevin McCarthy some time ago, and many of you now wish Kevin McCarthy was there, because he did present the most conservative budget, the most conservative effort to secure the border, and he did it in partnership with the Freedom Party, with Chip Roy, Byron Donaldson. I happen to like the current speaker, but I still know he was everything I told you he was. Told the truth. And these people who ousted him by reprobate. You don't really hear from them anymore except for their chairman. And so we're stuck yet again. My views when it comes to foreign policy and national security ought not be controversial. These are the views not of a warmonger or an interventionist, but somebody who loves his country and wants to protect it. He doesn't want to see wars on our coast and our shore. He doesn't want to see draft. The only way you can deal with that is to do what you need to do. 2024 now, a lot of us are trying to get our finances in order. There's some great news for homeowners. Interest rates have dropped. They're now in the 5s. A lot lower than they were last year. Now, if you've been buried in high-interest credit card debt, and many of you are in multiple credit cards, now's the time to break free. This is the solution. American Financing can help you access the cash in your home to pay off your high-interest debt. Last year, their salary-based mortgage consultants helped customers save an average of $854 a month. Folks, that's $10,000 a year. Can you use $10,000? And you don't have to do very much to do it. It's your money. You're saving your own money rather than burning it. And that's a great way to start the new year. And if you start today, you may be able to delay 2 mortgage payments. Here's the number, 888-900-1828. 888-900-1828. We are there right now. Don't procrastinate. 888-900-1828. Or visit AmericanFinancing.net.
NMLS 182334. NMLSConsumerAccess.org. APR for rates on the 5 start at 6.406%. Call 888-900-1828 for details about credit costs and terms.
Good, I'm back.